Our flight has been delayed.
It's not a lie, bro. Like, yeah, but it's also not like the flight is late, but it's not anything we didn't anticipate. Hi guys, so we just landed in Jomo Kenyatta, and I think there are parts of this airport that are really pretty. However, our flight has been delayed, so yeah, we were supposed to have a 2-hour overlay, but then we're kind of going to have a 4-hour, not 2. We're supposed to have a 3-hour overlay, but then we're going to have a 4-hour overlay. We're just trying to charge our phones and stuff, and then attempt to explore the airport. Mims is somewhere in the background. I don't know if you can see her. Yeah, so if you don't see my face again, I guess see you in Cape Town. We're still here waiting for our delayed flight. What's the time now? The flight is supposed to take off at 9, but Kenya Airways hasn't cared to invite us, which just means we won't leave at 9. But you know what? It's okay. It's really okay because we had our bookings messed up anyway. We are supposed to arrive this afternoon, but with our reservations we stated that we were arriving tomorrow, so we kind of had no accommodation for tonight, but we sorted that out with the first hotel.
Final call for passengers Aswan Shailesh, passenger Peter Mangar, departing on Kenya Airways to Juba and Khartoum. Board the aircraft immediately through gate number 28. Kenya Airways flight KQ520 to Dakar. Passengers departing on this flight as requested to proceed to gate number 16. Thank you.
I need to put a mic on. Yeah, anyway, I was saying we had that sorted out, like we had our accommodation and stuff sorted out by the hotel. So instead of picking us tomorrow, which we had requested, they're going to pick us today, and we're also going to be able to add an extra night to our accommodation packages. Yeah, so I guess we just have an extra day to do one extra thing. So. YouTuber. I make
YouTuber.
You don't say.
I am a YouTuber. What I do is I guide people like you. I show you guys free stuff for cheap rentals.
What's your channel?
I'm gonna show you now.
Alright.
I promise you, I'm in it to win it.
I hear you. And
So
we're
nice.
liking
So what
this.
is your channel about?
Travel and natural hair.
Oh, travel. So we kind of like in the same field. It's just I'm stuck here.
Yeah.
That's yours. Oh, I just need a phone still. I want to do the thingy for as well. Sorry.
No.
Please don't switch on your mobile data. Eh?
Okay.
I hope it didn't. It is off. Perfect. So, start.